We will move on to the next stage of problematic skin lighting. It looks shocking, but the truth is, this is the type of skin I love to treat the most, because the results are really visible, clearly visible. The skin is literally thirsty for treatment and receives it with great pleasure. Whatever you apply to the skin after the peeling, the skin will respond very positively, especially during the infusion stage, the massage stage, the mask stage. It will be excellent. We hear the word anti-aging a lot. Maybe we should understand what this word actually means. Anti means against. Aging is the aging of the skin itself. Sometimes we also need to treat the aging itself. There are those for whom there is not much to do anymore, like women in their 60s or 70s who have never had facial treatments and barely touched their skin. So for them, we can't really smooth out wrinkles and tighten the skin. The treatment will be more about the aging stage itself, which is just improvement, moisture, glow, but even in these cases, the skin waits and gives beautiful results. Anti-aging is fun to treat. The results, as we said, are very quick. The glow is visible, the tightening. But what actually happens in the process of anti-aging and its prevention? Skin aging is a biological process. We know it doesn't happen in one day. It has a complex process that involves both internal and external factors. The aging process starts from age 18 to 25, depending on the skin type. Free radicals are the main cause of skin aging. You can also say that the sun is a major cause of skin aging. The aged skin is characterized as more scaly skin. The amount of sebum and sweat in it is smaller, and therefore the amount of subcutaneous fat, the healthy fat, the NMF, is smaller. The amount of water held by the collagen fibers in the dermis is small, it decreases, and all this causes the skin to harden and have a scaly appearance.